Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. During the Hajj pilgrimage, there are several actions that pilgrims must avoid. These prohibitions are meant to maintain the sanctity and spiritual focus of the journey. Engaging in sexual intercourse. Pilgrims are not allowed to engage in any sexual activity during the Hajj journey. Quarreling or disputing. Avoid arguments, conflicts, and disputes with fellow pilgrims to maintain a peaceful and respectful environment. The aim is to maintain harmony and focus on worship. Use of inappropriate language. The use of offensive or disrespectful language is prohibited, as it contradicts the spirit of peace and respect that Hajj represents. Hunting or killing animals. Pilgrims are not allowed to harm or kill animals, including insects, as a sign of respect for all living creatures during this sacred time. Cutting or trimming hair or nails. While in the state of Ihram, sacred state, pilgrims cannot cut their hair or nails. This symbolizes the pilgrim's humility and submission to God. Wearing scented products. Excessive use of perfumes, scented oils, or soaps is prohibited in Ihram. Pilgrims should focus on their spiritual state, not on physical appearances or scents. No marital relations. While in Ihram, pilgrims, husband and wife, cannot engage in marital relations. This helps them concentrate fully on their religious duties. Men should not cover their faces. Men in Ihram should not cover their faces, but women are permitted to do so if they wish to avoid unwanted attention. Avoid business transactions. Doing business or making trades during the rituals of Hajj is discouraged. Pilgrims should focus on worship, not on trade or profit. No regular clothes. Pilgrims, men, should not wear regular body-fitted clothing, such as shirts, pants, trousers, socks, gloves, and shoes that cover the entire foot, including the ankle. Instead, they wear simple white garments, ihram, that symbolize equality and purity. If any of these rules are broken, except for engaging in sexual intercourse, the Hajj remains valid, but the pilgrim must offer compensation, fidya, such as fasting or sacrificing an animal. To access exclusive content and stay updated with our latest videos, we kindly invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for mankind. Thank you for your support.